Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the median low function from statistics module in Python. So this median low function is used to return the low median of numeric data in a specific list. But if the data is empty, then this function will raise a statistics error. The low median is always a member of the data set. When the number of data points is odd, the middle value is returned, and when it is even, the smaller of the two middle values will be returned. So let's take these two lists which we have used in our previous video. So for list 1 we have odd number of elements. So we have 3 elements over here, and for list 2 we have 4 elements. So 4 is even, 3 is odd. So if we use this median low, then let's see what would be the output. So if I simply put median low function over here, and if I run it, you can see that we are getting 3 as our output. But if I run this cell where I have used median for the similar values, then if I run it, you can see that we are getting 4 as the median for this list, which is list 2. So whenever you have a discrete data and you prefer the median to be the actual data point rather than interpolated, then you can use this median low from the statistics module in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.